Welcome back, my dear children. This is Tadipamla Bhaskar. You are watching Sri Educational Channel. In previous class, we have learnt about factors, what is the meaning of factors, and how to know the given number is factor or not. Today we are going to learn how to write all the factors of given number. In previous class we learnt 18 divided by 7. So in that problem 7 is not a factor of 18. So what are the factors of 18? Shall we take that example? 18. So take 18 and write all the factors of 18. Okay, this is example 1. So with examples I will teach you. So take 18. Children, listen how to write the factors. Factor means the exact divisor. So first you take 1. 1 into 18. 1 18s are 18. 18 minus 18 0. Okay. So 1 18s are 18. Next we have to take next number 2. Okay. So by 2 we have to divide 18. So take 18. 18 2. 2 9s are 18. In second table we can find 18. That means 2 9s are 18. Okay. Next you take 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That means 3 4s are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18. So you take 3 6 are 18. Next you take 4. Like this we have to go one by one, one by one, one by one. You take the number and you have to check in the table given number is we are finding or not, we are getting or not. Okay. So in 4, in fourth table can you get the 18? No. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So 18 we are not getting. So next you take 5. In fifth table also we can't get the 18. Next 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So here 6 is there. 6 3s are 18. So children, you are getting 6 here only. Okay. So 6 after 7 you can't get, 8 you can't get, and 9. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 you can't get. And in 18 table we can get 18 ones are 18. Okay. So when you find that here 6, you don't write another numbers. Okay. So 18 18. Here you are repeating here 3 6 are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So when the sentence is repeating you leave it. Okay. So these are the factors of 18. So you can you should write these numbers in ascending order. How? First you take 1 and 2 and 3. After that 6 9 18. You go like this and upside. Okay. So all the factors I am writing. Okay. So all the factors of 18 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 18. Sorry, 9 and 18. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors are there. For 18 we are getting 6 factors. So from these we can say one thing. The number of factors is infinitive. Sorry, finite. Not infinitive. Okay? Finite. Finite means we can say how many factors has the given number. Here 18, how many factors? 6 factors it has. Okay. Do you understand, children, how to write all the factors of given number? Okay. Shall we take example 2? Write all the factors of 20. In same process we can write. First you take 1. 1 20s are 20. And in second table we can get 20. 2 10s are 20. In third table we can't get. So you don't take 3. And in fourth table you can get. 4 5s are 20. After 4 we can take 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Here the sentence are repeating. Sorry, the sentence is repeating here and leave it. So these are the factors. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Okay. Next example 3. 72. Oh sir, 72 is big number. Don't confuse children. So you take first 172s are 72 and in second table can you get 72? For in this situation we should apply divisibility rules. What is the divisibility rule of 2? That number should be even number. So here the last digit is 2. So 72 is divisible by 2. So then how can you get the middle number? So you take 72. 72 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6. 1 is remain. So 1 2. 2 6s are 12. Like this we should cancel that number. We should cancel the number. So 2 36 are 72. And for 3 what is the divisibility rule? The sum of digits. 7 plus 2. Here 72 means 7 plus 2 9. 9 is multiple of 3. So 3 is a factor of 72. So 72. 3 2s are 6 and 1 is remaining. 3 4s are 12. So 14. 24. 3 24s are 72. And next 4. 4 18s are 72. And 6 12. That means 12 6s are 72. And 8 9s are 72. In 7th table we can't get the 72. And 8 after we should take 9. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72 is repeating here. So these are all the factors of 72. Okay. 9 after 10 11. No. After 12. After that 13 14 15 16 17 we can't get. Do you understand? So when the sentence is repeating, you leave it. That's much only. Okay, so factors of 72: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. These are all the factors of 72. How many factors you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Next, example 4. Write all the factors of 250. Okay. So, you take 1 250s are 250 and 2. What is the divisibility rule? The last digit is 0. So, 250 we can get. So, 2. You cancel the number. When you cancel the number, you can get 125. 2 125s are 250 and 5. 3 means 2 plus 5 7. 7 is not multiple of 3. So, by 3 250 is not exactly divisible. Next 4. Last 2 digits we have to take. 50. 50 is not exactly divisible by 4. So, don't take 4. And 5. 5 50s are 250 and 6, 7, 8, 9 we can't get. After that 10 25s are 250, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like this we have to check, children. Like this we have to check. Okay. At lastly we can get by 25. 25 10s are 250. Here the sentence is repeating. So, these are the factors of 250. You write like this: 1, 2, 5, 10. After that 25, 50, 125, 250. So, factors of 250: 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50, 125 and 250. Children, I will give some example size homework. You do that. I hope you have understood my class. In next class we will meet. Bye children.